Hello and welcome to your midweek announcement. It is officially Wednesday of week 3. Boom. Cranking right through this. I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a few more supplies that I got recently. It's going to be a YouTube video made by somebody else talking to you guys about how to do APA format. I'm looking down because I have to remember what I'm doing. I'm also going to give you a link for the library resources for SNHU citation, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a document which I got from my wonderful team lead, which will help you also with citation and some other technical and documented stuff. I do want you to be able to make an awesome technical paper, and I want your citations to be beautiful. I did want to talk also about your discussion. There were some questions about the discussion this week. I think primarily because of how it was worded. It may be worded weird, or maybe just because there's a lot of subplots to it, because you got to choose a policy, which you can find in Chapter 7. If you look in the PowerPoint, there's a whole list of them. In, I think, slide 25 has like 10 or 11 different policies you can utilize for this. But you're going to pick a policy, and then you're going to talk about, you got to think about how was that policy made, like what was the reasoning behind that policy. Was there a legal issue? Was there an ability to sue somebody? What made that policy actually happen? And then what you're going to do is you're going to talk about how the 3 different types of kind of mindsets would view that policy. So, how would someone who thinks that, only policies should benefit human beings would view that? If you take the Keystone pipes, that's a pretty big deal. It got shut down, yes, but it was a running thing. It would have provided lots of jobs. It would have allowed for a lot of energy, but it would have hurt the environment because it would have taken down land, and pipelines aren't the most reliable of items, so spillage is a huge deal. So if you're an anthropocentric person, then you're thinking only about the job creation and the utilization of energy. So just think of a policy and then connect it to what each person would think of it. Okay. I do want to throw in a couple quick reminders for this week. We do have a risk assessment, which I talked to no end about on Sunday's video. Again, I'm just going to stress this one more time, probably not for the last time. Check out the rubric. Just go with the rubric and utilize that Malathion sheet so you know exactly what this chemical is doing and how it's planning on being used, because that's the deciding factor there. How is it used? Really, this risk assessment is bringing in this idea of policy. Are you willing to do X if Y happens, kind of a deal? And that, my friends, is up to you. That is what your job is, and as long as you defend your position, you are good to go. I think that is all. I'm going to sign off for Wednesday. Happy middle of the week day. I will see you guys again very, very soon. I'll be hopping onto the discussion boards and bugging you there, so I'll see you soon. Bye.